this is Debbie Rohde. Um, I am the wife of Frank Rohde, who was the patient with Midwest Hospice. I have nothing but good things to say. They were an excellent, excellent support system. The chaplain was phenomenal. The nurses were phenomenal. They did above and beyond, and they made a bad situation into something that was easier to grab a hold of. It's tough losing a parent, a husband, um, but they helped us and went above and beyond.